Hey, what's up? This is Luke with Green Eyed Motors. Thanks for checking out this Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. It's a 2014. The miles are relatively good. It's in super clean condition, and that's one reason we lifted it. We did a READYLIFT 4-inch TeraFlex 8-arm lift kit. That's all brand new. We did that in-house here. That includes their shocks on there. There's the SST 3000 front shocks. We did the bumper here, stainless steel brake lines, the Alpha wheels with the new Goodyear, what are they? The Territory mud terrain tires. These are awesome, and one reason we really like them on a Jeep is that they're C load rated. If you put the E and D load rated tires in the Jeep, it just makes them ride real rough. So this vehicle rides amazing. We did all the work in-house. We have our own alignment rack here, which is coming into view now. It is the latest rotary alignment rack. But anyways, this thing drives amazing. It's in really clean condition. It is an absolute bargain. We put over $8,000 worth of work in it. Interior is really clean as well. And we're selling it for a sale price that is really good. This, of course, it's a Rubicon. It has the locking differentials, the sway bar disconnect. We put some fog lights on there with the bumper. But it's a pretty excuse-free Jeep. Drives awesome. I'm trying to think what else we did. I mean, we even did new tire pressure sensors, front and rear bumpers. It's ready to go. If you're looking to just look good or truly do some off-roading, give this one a chance. You should come by and drive it. So thanks for looking. Appreciate it. Hope to see you soon.